Retirement planning. Questions, options, decisions. Where does one begin? Our retirement expert has some of the answers, so stay with us. You're listening to Retirement Matters. JN Fund Managers is on Nationwide 90 FM. Please stay with us.
Relationships that build wealth, create opportunities, the right solutions. That's what we do at JN Fund Managers.
We're in pursuit of your financial security.
Portfolio and investment management services for individuals and corporate clients, from wealth building and risk management to preparing for a comfortable retirement. Strong, stable, secure.
We're in pursuit of your success.
Let's talk. JN Fund Managers, your safer, smarter financial partner.
Good morning, Roseanne East, pension specialist. On today's program, let's look at some retirement planning FAQs. Some of the questions that face many of us as we plan for the period when work ends. The topics are varied, but all the questions are quite valid. Are you ready?
Good morning, Annette. Sounds like we're in for a very interesting program. Let's go.
You're ready. I'm ready. So here's the first. I have a small business which I started a few years ago. It's still struggling, but it does better every year. To survive, I started out by not paying myself and pumped all the profit back into the business. Now we're doing better, but I have not been able to break that habit and still find it hard to save, much less plan for retirement. Where do I begin?
There's a red flag here. Your business is a few years old and is starting to turn a profit, yet you still have set nothing aside. You need to review your business strategies and also to begin paying yourself. Paying yourself will include saving and investing for your future, including retirement. There are individual retirement schemes like the JNIRS, which you can explore. Start where you can and start now. Many business owners don't invest for retirement as they rely on their businesses to fund their lives when they retire. This is a serious risk. Your business should not be the sum total of your retirement plan. All income earners, including self-employed persons like you, should have investments dedicated specifically for retirement. There are options for everyone. Focus on your business with the peace of mind that regardless as to whether it flourishes or not, your future is secure.
Here's another. My employer has an approved retirement plan of which I am a member. It's efficiently managed by a group of professionals who I trust. I looked at what I should receive when I retire, and I know I can live on that amount. Why do you recommend that I have additional income streams for retirement?
I'm glad to know you've been keeping abreast of matters regarding your pension plan and how it is managed. It's also good to know that you have begun doing some research on the projected funds available to you when you retire. But I have some questions for you to think about. Have you factored how inflation may affect your projected expenses by the time you retire? Have you considered preparing for unexpected expenses, such as healthcare, at that time? What about housing? Even if you already own your home, have you thought of maintenance costs? There is also the possibility that changes in the economy may throw the unexpected in your direction. So my advice to you is to continue your research. Use a retirement planning calculator which will list several other considerations that I don't have time to mention. Then do the math again. I suspect you will wish to plan other income streams for retirement the very minute you complete your research. If you are disciplined enough to monitor your current retirement as closely as you have been doing, I suspect you'll make sound plans to protect your future.
Good advice, Roseanne. Now for a short one. I've heard the 10-year period before one retires described as the debt reduction decade. What does that mean?
It's advisable that in the 10 years before you retire, a part of your plan should be to reduce or eliminate debt. So, for example, it's advisable that you should try your best pay off your consumer loans and credit card debt. Of course, there are exceptions to the rule. Let's say, if you have a lump sum payment due to you, which is unrelated to your retirement funds. Perhaps you could direct those funds to pay off your debts during this period. However, generally speaking, try not to incur new debt during this period. And if you have debt, try to reduce it or pay it off completely. By so doing, you can maintain a more predictable cash flow in your retirement years.
Thanks once again, Roseanne. Let's try for another. I've worked hard and have always dreamed of retiring early. Is this a pipe dream?
Some persons are known to have planned to retire early and have done so successfully. It doesn't only happen in movies. Can it happen for you? That's a good question. Sit with your financial advisor and do the math. Then decide. Also, are you certain that you'll enjoy that option? Again, speak to a professional. Planning for retirement, including an early one, is not only about your finances. What about your social life? What will you do with your time? Your retirement planner can refer you for counseling in this area. You mentioned that you've worked hard for many years. Perhaps you should build or strengthen your social life before you retire.
Thank you, Roseanne. Are you ready for another one? I'm following the retirement plan that my father used. He's living comfortably now as a retiree. He invested well and has introduced me to some of those products. I've invested in them and I'm following his advice closely. Am I on track?
Your father made great decisions for himself and is reaping his sweet rewards. It's now your turn to do the same. That is, to make decisions that are good for you. There is no way your circumstances today can be identical to your now retired father. My advice is that you listen to the recommendations of well-meaning friends and relatives. However, before you invest, you speak with a financial advisor. Investment options change over time. So do investment strategies. Do fresh research. Position yourself to your best advantage, just as your dad did during his time.
The next one applies to so many persons of all ages. Here we go. I am afraid of risk. I am looking for a risk-free investment for the funds I'm putting aside for my retirement. What do you advise?
Many persons are risk-averse. I can understand that you wish your retirement funds to be safe and secure. I have to tell you, though, that there is no such thing as a risk-free investment. To build assets, you will have to undertake some amount of risk. So, with the help of a financial advisor, choose risks appropriate to you. Know the risks and consider them against the potential rewards. Find out how you can manage the level of risk you can live with. You will not be able to avoid it entirely. Learn about diversification and holding a variety of investments proportioned to your satisfaction. This may lessen the negative impact of an investment that performs poorly. Depending on your time horizon, invest over time to offset market fluctuations and monitor your investments to be sure that the risk and rewards do not change. Finally, be informed and work closely with licensed professionals who will be happy to set up periods for review.
Interesting information, Roseanne. Many persons are understandably nervous when it comes to funds they can't afford to lose.
We understand their concerns, Annette. Each time we invest, we have made a sacrifice, a decision to save rather than spend. Additionally, we want to know that having put away those funds, they will be there when we need them. It is easy to become concerned over any amount of risk. If we know we have these concerns, then we have to make sure we can sleep at night by making decisions we can live with.
So we covered several areas in today's program, Roseanne, and as usual, you had the answers ready. Thank you very much.
It was my pleasure, Annette.
If you're just joining the program and want to hear it in its entirety, please go to Jane Fund Manager's Facebook page where the program will be uploaded later this morning. We invite you to contact us by sending a text message to 504-1719. That's 504-1719. or by emailing us at janefundmanagers@jnbs.com. Remember, retirement is a journey, not a destination. As we take that journey, let's live each day as a special day that it is, even as we plan for the future. Take care of yourself and others. Bye-bye.